Nevada Virtual Academy is back. Problem number 10. The figure below shows a smaller rectangle inside a larger rectangle. What is the area of the shaded region? How can we find that? Well, first of all, you guys have to remember the area of a rectangle is given by what? Length times width. Okay? What is your length? For the big one, for the large one, is 2x plus 1, and width is x plus 2. Let's find that first. Okay? So the area of the large rectangle, imagine that large gray rectangle before anything was cut. Okay? Imagine that, this one inside here was actually not cut yet. So this is like a full gray big rectangle. Okay, and that area will be, let me write it down here. I'm going to call it the area of the dark rectangle, which is length 2x plus 1 multiplied by the width, right here, x plus 2. How are we going to find this? Remember FOIL, right? First terms, 2x times x, that gives you 2x squared. Next, O stands for outer, 2x times 2, which is positive 4x. I stands for inner terms, 1 times x, positive x. And the last one, I have the last L standing for last terms, right? 1 times 2, which is positive 2. And this one should equal 1. What you have to do in here is combine like terms. First term doesn't change, 2x squared. 4x plus x is going to be 5x plus 2. And this is the area of the large rectangle. Now the problem says you have to find the area of the shaded region after you make that cut, right? And that cut is like, imagining you're really cutting that white rectangle out of this big one. And because the area of a rectangle is length times width, what is the area of this small rectangle inside here, the white one? Is going to be length x times 3. The area of this one is going to be 3x, right? So the area of my white rectangle is going to be 3x. What are you supposed to find? The area of the shaded one. Well, to find that, you're going to subtract from the area of the large one, right, of the gray one, the area of the other one. So basically, you have to take from this trinomial, you have to subtract 3x, so it'll be minus 3x. What's happening here? Well, you have 2x squared, which doesn't change. Now I have 5x minus 3x. I'm going with the second column. There'll be positive 2x. And what else is left? 2 plus 2. And that's the answer. That's the area of the shaded region. I'm moving back to my answers here. I got A, 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. Well, you know what? That's the answer. That was easy, right? Answer to this problem, A, 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. These are the steps you have to take. There are many other steps. I mean, if you want to, go a different way, you can try. You should try and see if it works. But this is the way I like. Thank you.